Life is short, but we don't realize it until our time's come. So, as we start growing, we only see the now and try to visualize the future. But we forget about our past, our first steps in this world. So, months ago, I saw my photo album and I was, well, why don't we begin this story? And what history, you may think? Well, my autobiography. Well, it was on January 9 at 5:20 p.m. when a baby girl known as Diane Hernandez, me, was born in this world. It wasn't so pretty at all because, well, my mom pushed a little more than necessary and I went flying. So the doctors had to catch me. They delivered me to my mom's arms until she saw that something wasn't right. They took me again and helped me because my lips were purple. Then, 2 or 3 years later, I was starting to grow up and I had my tooth, but one of them was crumbled. I was in so much pain. Sometimes I couldn't even sleep at night, so my parents sent me to the dentist, and the dentist put me a false tooth. Then I began elementary school, and also I got ballet classes at the culture house. I was so happy with those classes, but I had to quit ballet because my hips, well, twist a little. And also, one of my legs was more shorter than the other one. So I had to go to a specialist to see that. But I was still at elementary school, and one time there was a drawing contest of Benito Juarez. I participated, and I won the second place. But still, I won something. Then many years passed, but sometimes I still got ill because of my allergies. It got worse, so my mom took me to an infant allergist, and he helped me improve my health. Thanks to him, I got better. And well, some months later, um, 2015, in January, I was waiting for my mom to come for me until I saw them. My family! I was so happy, so surprised seeing them there because, well, all of my family is in Merida. I'm My parents and I are the only ones here in Cancun. So it was like, what? What? But I was so happy because, well, they come here to celebrate my 15th birthday. I was, oh my god, I couldn't believe it at first, but it was incredible. But they were a little confused on the day because, well, they got here on January 8th, not in January 9th. But I was still happy. Then, months later, I finally graduated from middle school. So I was late. It was because, well, I had another event at my future high school, but well, I was waiting for my dad to come for me, and he came a bit late. So yeah, that's why I was late on my middle school graduation. I remember I ran and I grabbed my diploma and I was so happy, but also it was a little embarrassing for me because I was the only one missing. So it was a happy but also a little embarrassing moment. Then months later, I got to my high school at Tech Millennium. I for my first and second semester, go. I had to get a workshop, so I chose basketball, drawing, and singing. Weeks later, I quit drawing, but I was still in basketball and singing. And there was an event, December, a Christmas event, and our workshop had to sing Seasons of Love. And I got the solo part. I had to sing this solo part in the middle and one at the end. It was a wonderful experience, but also I was a little nervous. I was so nervous but also happy at the same time. It was an incredible moment. I remember my teacher said to us that we should not worry about anything because, well, she will help us in something happen. But, well, I did it! And I was so, so, so happy. Well, being able to sing in an auditorium, it was a, a wonderful moment for me. Then, so 6 semesters later, I got my graduation from high school. It was a, a wonderful moment for me. I When I went and grabbed my diploma, I was so happy. But also I was more happy, more happier because I got an honorific mention. I was it was incredible for me. It was like, wow, I did it great. But also I was thinking this must be a gift, but not only for me, but for my parents because they were always by my side and they they gave me the chance, the opportunity to study. So I'm very grateful for that. And some years later, I went to my cousin's wedding. It was last year. It was a wonderful moment also because, well, they I got to participate as one of the maid's bride. I was so happy because, well, it was like I'm the Canconen's cousin. All of the family is in Merida, and I was like, oh my gosh, I was chose to be one of them. So it, I feel grateful for that too. And but well, a week before the wedding, my mom and I both became ill, but we got better on time, and we got to the wedding, and it was beautiful seeing my cousin marrying the love of his life. So now, after seeing these moments in my life, made me realize how blessed I was, and I'm still am because of the opportunities that I had in my life. I had the opportunity to do a lot of things, to know a lot of people, and also I had the opportunity to being able to study at a good school with great teachers. So these memories are a part of me that I remember, and I'm grateful to share it. They're, they are little parts of my history, of me. I hope you're like seeing this little part of me, of myself, and a little part of Dajan. Thank you so much for watching this video.